This conference will now be recorded.
So welcome to all guys. So let's see how we can create a new scratch or inside Salesforce. So whenever we have to create a new scratch or inside Salesforce, we have to follow a URL that is developer.salesforce.com/sign up. So once you have pressed enter, you will get a page, this page, and here we have a form that we have to fill it with our personal details. So here we have to mention our first name, last name, email, roles. Here we have the roles like developer, architect, administrator, IT manager, right? So here we have multiple roles. Here we have the company name, so we can take any company names, right? And here we have country, postal code, and the username. So all these fields we have to fill it for. So let's take, I am filling my details here. Okay, fine.
This conference will now be recorded.
So now, so what we can, here we can provide our first name, our last name. Here we have the email address. That email address should be a correct email address, like this. Fine. And here we have the role. Role we can take anything. Let's take, initially we are going to start with the developer's role because we are going to join as a developer. So now company name. Company name can provide any company name that you are expecting. So currently I can provide, let's take Essential. Country. So definitely our country is India. So I can take the India as a country name. Postal code you can provide here. You can provide a postal code also. And here we have the username. The username must be similar to the email address type. It means at that something we have to provide. Let's say I can provide Rahul, right? I can provide Rahul 12312 at the rate accenture.com. Accenture.com. Now once we have provided the email address, sorry, username, according to the email address, we can go there and accept terms and condition. Once we have accepted terms and condition, you can see we have filled all this form, and now finally we can go and sign me up. So here creating an account in Salesforce is exactly similar how we create our account like Facebook, Gmail, Flipkart, Amazon. And once I have clicked successfully, you can see I'm getting a message that please check your email to confirm your account. It means whatever the email address we have provided there in the form, on same email address we'll get the link and we can reset its password. So let's go and check the email address that we have provided and we can reset our password. Okay. अभी वो जो
This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, you can see here we got an email on our Gmail address, like the subject line is welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. So once you can click on this, you can see a message here, thanks for signing up with the Salesforce. And here we have a button that we have to verify our account, and here we have the URL that anyone can go and use the username and password. And here we have the username. With that username we have to log in inside Salesforce. So let's go at first verify our account in Salesforce. So click on this verify account. So it will open a separate page. Fine. And on that page you have to set your password. Suppose if I'm going to set my password, okay, fine. And here we have a security question so that in future we can reset our password. So I can take here security question, in what city you are born, so I can provide my answer and I can go and change password. And once we click on this change password, the password will be changed, the password will be set, and we have successfully logged it inside the Salesforce org. And that org is also known as Sandbox, Salesforce Sandbox, or Salesforce organization. Now from here we can start learning Salesforce, we can start administration of Salesforce, we can start development inside Salesforce. Okay.